months off that you'll see in these pictures. And I did a nice tribute video for him. It took me about 6 months to build a bike from where it was when I received it. The brakes were seized, everything was cold and rusty, and it needed to be completely redone. And I just took a lot of the parts off and I made it into a Café racer such as you see right now in these pictures. And when it was all finished, I rode the bike over to the Boeing factory, and my friend, was able to ride it one last time around the field. And make sure you see the video, and then you'll see the actual outcome of it. It was really, really a profound experience, very gratifying, and we did it for our friend in 79 XS 750 Special. And it is doesn't have a chain. It is gear driven, shaft driven rather. It has 750 cc of cubic inches, and it has 3 cylinders. It's a triple. So it's got 3 pistons, 3 carburetors. They're Mikuni carbs. I took the air box off, so now they have pod filters so the bike can breathe better. It sounds awesome. It's really fast. It's a kind of a heavy motorcycle, but it's easy to balance, and it handles great. It stops really well. It's got 2 disc brakes, and actually it's 3 disc brakes. It's got 2 in the front and 1 in the back. And it's just an all-around great motorcycle. I made the seat by hand with a company called Legendary in Florida, and then the actual pad I hand tooled the leather myself and customized the seat to fit the bike. It has Clubman handlebars in the front that are positioned the other direction so it's more comfortable to ride.